Hello friends, welcome back to Thamara's garden. In today's video, we will be discussing about the house plants that are permanent. And also these are wonderful indoor plants. You can grow them outdoors as well. So I have described and explained in my video about the house plant which are suitable for indoor plants as also outdoor plants. So watch the video until the end so that it will give you great ideas about the plants that you can grow indoors and outdoors. Philodendrons are very easy to grow permanent plants. They are best indoor plants and outdoor plants. Make sure to keep them in a shady corner. So these are permanent plants for beginners. Very easy to grow with a stem cutting. Take it from a friend of yours and put them in water to propagate. They make best indoor plants and outdoor plants as well. Another beautiful variety of philodendron. No need of fertilizer as well. They'll grow like weeds. Grows very well in the medium to partial sunlight. Comes in many varieties. This is one of the permanent house plant which you can grow indoors very easily without any effort. Philodendron, another house plant that is permanent and very easy to grow. Aloe Vera, another must-have permanent plant. When you bring a small baby plant or else when you take it with a leaf cutting, you can grow this beautiful aloe vera plant as a permanent plant. Once you bring it from a nursery, make sure to keep it in an area where they get the partial to medium sunlight, not bright direct sunlight. This is a sun tolerant plant, but though they say you can keep it in the direct sunlight, my advice, my personal experience is these leaves get thin if you keep them in the bright direct area. So couple of hours of direct sun even doesn't matter, but not throughout the day. So this plant is a permanent plant and a beginner plant too. And also this plant is wonderful for a shady area. Medium to partial sunlight is perfect. Now see, look at this. There's a baby pup in this. I can separate it from the mother plant and put them in another pot. ZZ plant. This plant you can grow with stems or else with a leaf cutting. Now this is another feng shui plant called as the lucky plant, and this is a wonderful plant for a beginner because you don't have to water them on regular basis. This plant you can put in any planter. You can have big planters or else in small planters. This is a wonderful plant too. They also prefer semi-shade, but make sure not to water on regular basis. This is the umbrella plant which you can grow very easily with stem cuttings. This is another plant for a beginner. Beautiful leafy plant. They also prefer the semi-shade. Make sure to put them in an ample pot if you want to grow them tall and very bushily. Money plant or pothos plant. One of the best house plants for a beginner also. You can multiply them very easily. I have done many videos on my channel which you can watch them with your time for care tips. Dilanthus or devil's backbone. This is another plant which doesn't need regular watering. Keep it in a semi-shade or inside the house as an indoor plant. These plants doesn't seek for any fertilizer as well. You can grow them without fertilizers with stem cuttings. Easy to propagate, but do not keep them in the direct sunlight area. Spider plants. These are also permanent plants, beginner gardeners plants. You can grow them very easily. So these are permanent house plant. Once you bring them from a nursery, they will stay in your garden forever. Keep them in the semi-shade, partial to medium sunlight area. This is pink syngonium. Syngonium plants are also permanent. Best for beginners. Look at these colors. They are so attractive. This is called the arrowroot plant as well. Easy to multiply and easy to grow. You need only a small stem cutting to bring home and you will see they grow very fast. Look at this syngonium plant. They grow along with my spider plant. Their needs are same. Care tips are same because they also grows well in the partial to medium sunlight, not bright direct sunlight. Avoid overwatering. So I grow them together. Key bamboo, another permanent plant for your garden. They also grow from stems. Fits into any planter. Can grow from cuttings. Keep it in the semi-shade. One of the best indoor plant. These plants can be grown outside as well in your garden. Bird nest plant. Can you see how huge it is? I brought only one plant and I have multiplied them very easily. And this plant also, friends, stays permanent in your garden. Rubber plant. One of the best house plants. You can grow them as outdoor plants as well. So friends, thanks for watching my video and see you soon with another video in Thamara's garden.